you ready to downsize but unsure where to start? Hi, my name is Pasha Barazende and I'm your local real estate specialist here in the city of Toronto. Whether looking for a cozy condo, a charming townhouse, or an easier to maintain single-family home, we can help you to go through every step of the way. Let's be real, downsizing is challenging. You probably have lived in your current home for more than a few decades. Now you're ready to downsize but not sure where to start. We have your back. We have a free guide that can help you to get a better view of where to start and also the services that you might need along the way. We offer a full roster of services, including decluttering, cleaning, moving your belongings into the storage, and help you to go through every step of the way. Please feel free to reach out. We can provide you with a free guide and book a discovery discussion and help you to start. Let's make your next move your best move.